Hi, everyone. First of all, welcome to Murray State. We're excited that you have made us your new home, and we can't wait to see you on campus this fall. We're working to make this transition as easy and seamless as possible for everyone. We realize that you guys have several things to do before you get to campus, so we're just wanting to take a few minutes and help you understand the prepackaged textbook program to allow you to get all of the textbooks you need for all of your courses. So first of all, I'll start. You may be asking, why should you prepackage? There's a few reasons. First of all, we do all of the thinking for you. So basically, we're going to print your schedule. We're going to look at your courses for you. We're going to get all the books you need. You don't have to do any of the thinking. We're going to do it all for you. Second is that you're able to save money by prepackaging. Our prepackaged students get first chance at getting our used textbooks. So we pull all of your books over the summer when we have all of our used books available. What happens is students who do not prepackage will come to the store typically or order through our website the first week of class, and we usually don't have many used books left at that point because the prepackaged students typically take up several of our used books. So by prepackaging, you get a better shot at getting used textbooks, which will save you money. Lastly, you get a 100% return privilege just through the first week of class. So you go to class, your professor says you won't need the book much, or for any reason you just want to bring the book back, you'll get a 100% refund through the first week of class. Those books do have to be in the original condition, so if you have a scratch off access code, don't scratch off that code until you know that you're going to use it for the class. Once access codes are scratched off, we're unable to offer a refund. Regular textbooks, there's usually no issue. You can bring those back the first week of class, get a full refund on them, no questions asked. So those are a few of the main reasons that students typically do prepackage. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit of the process of how you can fill out your prepackaged form. It's quite simple. So the bookstore's website is bookstore.murraystate.edu. You can do several things on our website, from ordering computers, your textbooks, clothing, several different things. So we invite you to explore our website once you get here. Whenever you are ready to actually fill out your prepackaged form, you can simply go to Forms, and it will say Fall 2020 Prepackaged Form. And this will take you to your prepackaged form. One important note is, in order to fill out the prepackaged form, you will have to be logged into your Murray State account in Google. If you're logged into a different email account, such as Gmail or anything else in your Google browser, then it won't let you fill out the form. So you do have to be logged into your Murray State email account. So you'll simply fill out the form. Like I said, we will pull your textbooks for you. And beginning August 12th, we will have the textbooks ready. I'm going to go over the form. This is just simply our returns policy that you can read through. So with the form, you would just simply fill out the information, put your first name, last name, your M number. When you enter this, enter the M with it. And then you will select your classification. You'll put in your contact phone number, email address. So method of payment, most of these will just go on your student account. If you have scholarships or any type of financial aid, it can be applied toward that charge. If you are a military student who receives Chapter 31, or you're a vocational or rehabilitation student, or a student through the WIA program, then you would select third party also on that option. So the next is to choose a package. So these packages are simply preferences that we will use to pull your textbook. So the value package is typically the least expensive package. If you select the value package and the book has an ebook available, we would pull the electronic version of the book rather than the physical copy. The electronic versions of the book are typically much less expensive than the physical copy. If there wasn't an electronic version, then we would pull a used textbook. If there was not a used textbook available, as a last resort, we would pull a new book. If the book was available to rent, we would charge you the rental fee for the book. You would rent it for the semester. At the end of the semester, you would return the book. If the book was not available as a rental option, then we would charge you just for a purchased book up front. And if there's an option between the loose leaf version of the book versus a bound version, we would pull the loose leaf version, since loose leaf versions are less expensive than the bound versions. The next option is the premium package. So the difference is a premium package, the preference would include physical books rather than ebooks. You would still get used books if available. Instead of renting the books, you would purchase the books. And if there was a loose leaf option or a bound option, we would pull the bound option for you. Some students kind of want a little bit of each of these, so we've got an option to customize your prepackage. So in this scenario, we would choose the Customize My Prepackage. And then you could choose each of these options, which you would prefer. You could say that you want a physical copy, you may want used, but you may prefer to rent, and you may prefer loose leaf. So you can fill those out just according to your preferences. And we have a couple optional items. If you're taking Math 140, you'll need a TI-84 calculator, so you can add that to your prepackage. So we also have a campus planner every year. Campus planner has different dates of activities going on campus. It's got a map of campus, all of the building locations, phone numbers to different departments. So it's great while you're learning your way around campus. So if you want a campus planner, you would simply tick the campus planner option. If you already have any of the books for any of your courses, you would just simply list them here so that we don't pull them again. If anything happens, we did pull a book that you had, we'll be happy to refund it when you pick your books up. And then you can elect to either pick up the books on campus. You can have them shipped to your home address for $10.99, or you can have them shipped to any of our extended campuses for pickup. If you do need it shipped to your residence, we will need your preferred shipping address. And then you simply agree to the terms that this will be charged to your student account. And it's simply the cost of the textbook. So there's no fee for doing the program. It's only the charge of what the books actually cost. And then if you're filling this out through your summer orientation, you'll just simply select yes. And then that will take you to select a t-shirt size. And then you'll select your t-shirt size, and we will have your t-shirt in with your books for free. So you get a free t-shirt for prepackaging with us. Once you have everything filled out, you simply submit the form. From that point on, you are done with everything except picking up the books. We will notify you of the location of where you will need to pick your books up at. We are still gathering that information, so we will send that information out by email. But at this point, we will pull your schedule for you, so you don't have to submit your schedule to us. We handle everything from here. We have the books boxed up, ready for you for pickup in the fall. If you fill out the prepackaged form, you need to make changes, you have any questions, you can always either email us at msu.books@murraystate.edu, or you can also feel free to call us at 270-809-4388. Thank you.